Good morning this Wednesday, the 17th of July. I'm Grady Wolf, market analyst with Bell Direct. Wall Street extended its broad bull market rally into Tuesday's session with some key indices hitting record highs as investor optimism rose amid hopes of rate cuts in the near future. The Dow Jones soared 1.85% to a fresh record high of 40,954.48, while the tech-heavy Nasdaq rose just 0.2% and the S&P 500 ended the session 0.64% higher. Corporate earnings results have also started being released in the US, which is adding fuel to the bull market. The Bank of America and Morgan Stanley both released results overnight that beat analysts' forecasts and saw shares in the companies rise 5% and nearly 1% respectively. Sentiment was boosted overnight by Fed Chair Jerome Powell saying that Q2 economic data has bolstered confidence that inflation is cooling, with markets now pricing in 2 rate cuts this year, with markets pricing in a 100% chance of a rate cut in September. In Europe, overnight markets in the region closed lower as investors responded to key corporate earnings results and assessed the impact of high interest rate environment on both outlook and earnings across the board. The Stoxx 600 fell 0.21% on Tuesday, Germany's DAX lost 0.39%, the French CAC fell 0.69%, and in the UK, the FTSE 100 ended the day down 0.22%. Key fashion houses took the biggest hit in Europe overnight, with Germany's Hugo Boss tumbling 7.5% after the company cut its full-year sales outlook, while UK's Burberry lost 5.2% a day after the company issued a profit warning on weak luxury demand. Across the Asia market on Tuesday, it was a mixed session across markets, with Hong Kong's Hang Seng falling 1.6%, while China's CSI ended the day up 0.63%. Japan's Nikkei gained 0.2% on Tuesday, and India's Nifty 50 hit an all-time high, gaining 0.2%. The local market slipped from record highs on Tuesday to close the day down 0.23% as the big iron ore miners weighed on the market, tracking the declining price of iron ore futures. Rio Tinto's share price fell 2% yesterday after reporting second quarter results that fell short of market expectations, including iron ore shipments of 80.3 million tonnes compared to the expectations of 82 million tonnes due to rail delays experienced during the quarter. DroneShield tumbled 30% yesterday before hitting a trading halt, then resuming trading after the counter-drone technology stock responded to a media speculation that cast doubt on the longevity of the company's stellar rally over the last 12 months. Lifestyle Communities recovered some ground yesterday with a 5.53% rally after a sell-off on Monday, following media reports around alleged treatment of some of its residents at its homes. On the commodities front this morning, oil has slipped 1.42% to trade at $80.75 a barrel. Gold is up 1.92% at $2,469 an ounce, and iron ore is up just 0.08% at $109.67 a ton. One Aussie dollar is buying 67.38 US cents, 106.65 Japanese yen, 52.02 British pence, and 1 New Zealand dollar and 11 cents. Ahead of the midweek trading session here in Australia, the SPI futures are expecting the ASX to open the day up 0.65%, tracking Wall Street's bull run overnight. And now let's dive into some trading ideas for your consideration today. Bell Potter has slightly increased the 12-month price target on electro-optic systems and maintained a buy rating on the Australian defence manufacturer following the release of the company's first half unaudited results, outlining a better than expected start to the year. Over the first half, EOS reported revenue rose 92% on the prior corresponding period to $142.6 million, which beat Bell Potter expectations, and Bell Potter continues to forecast a return to profitability for the company in CY25. And Bell Potter has maintained a buy rating on HUB24 with a 12-month price target of $53.20 per share following the release of the specialist investment platform provider's June quarter update, including a strong Q4 performance of funds under administration improving to $104.7 billion, up 30% on the PCP, and net flows of $5 billion. And that's all we have time for this Wednesday morning. Have a wonderful day and happy investing.